Hi, welcome to Camlish.com. I'm teacher Emmy and I'm going to be your teacher in learning the English language easily. The title of our book is Classroom English. This is a practical guide to teaching English through English. Now let's start our discussion on page 159. Alright, we're starting our discussion with lesson number 52. Okay, and the topic is post-watching activity 1. Again, post-watching activity 1. Now let's see the teacher's language and let's try to read the first one. We have here the question, did you enjoy the video or DVD? Okay, next one. Listen to the dialogue while you read it again. Next, this time I'll turn off the sound. Next one, try to say it with the speakers. And we also have here, this half of the class say what Inho is saying. Okay, so this is about the topic post-watching activity 1. Now let's try to see the dialogue part so we can better have a good understanding of it. So the dialogue starts with, after watching a video or DVD, okay, so the teacher said, did you enjoy the video or DVD? The students answered, yes. Teacher, good. Let's read the dialogue together. And then the teacher hands out a copy of the dialogue and reads through it once or twice with the students. And then the teacher said, now listen to the dialogue while you read it again. And then the teacher plays the dialogue. Now let's continue on the next page. Okay, the teacher said again, this time I'll turn off the sound. Okay, now read the dialogue and try to say it with the speakers. This half of the class say what Inho is saying. The other half of the class say what Sunghoon is saying. Do you understand? And then the students answered, yes. Teacher, good. Let's start. Okay, so that's it for the dialogue part. Now let's study the other expressions of the teacher this time. So the teacher asked a question on the first part of the dialogue. The teacher said, did you enjoy the video or DVD? Okay, so the teacher could also ask you this one. Did you like the video or DVD? Or, how did you like the video or DVD? Okay, so next one we have the expression, this time I'll turn off the sound. So the teacher could also say this. This first one, let's read, now this time I'll play it silently. Turn off the sound silently. It's the same, okay? Next, we have here, next, let's watch it with no sound. Another one here is, now we'll watch it with sound off. Okay? Number 3, we have here the expression, try to say it with the speakers. Okay, we have here, try to say what the boys said. Or try to say it as if you were the boys. Another one here is try to say the dialogue as if you were the boys. Okay, so are you following me? Now we have here again number 4, the expression, this half of the class say what Inho is saying. So the teacher can also use this statement, this half of the class take Inho's part. Okay, so it just means the same thing, so don't confuse yourself with that. Alright, now here below on this box you can see again and read the Korean translation of the dialogue part and the continuation of it on this page. Alright, now let us go to the next lesson. Lesson number 53. Now lesson number 53 is post-watching activity 2. So lesson 52 was post-watching activity 1, now it's activity 2 this time. So it's just like a continuation. So let's start reading the teacher's language. Okay, and the first one we have here. This time we'll do something different. Try to say each sentence to yourself while you listen. And just do it silently, not out loud, okay? So those are the teacher's language. Now let's try to see that in this very short dialogue part. So we can see here, after the students have watched a video or DVD a number of times, so that's what happened, then the teacher said, now we're going to watch the video again. This time we'll do something different. Try to say each sentence to yourself while you listen. Just do it silently, not out loud. Okay? And then the students answered, okay. Now let's discuss the other expressions. So number one, we have here the sentence, this time we'll do something different. The teacher could also say, let's try something different this time, or we're going to do something new this time, okay? Number two, try to say each sentence to yourself while you listen. Try to say it to yourself sentence by sentence as you listen. And let's try to repeat each sentence to ourselves while we listen. So this all means the same thing. And number three, just do it silently, not out loud. Okay? Just say each line to yourself, not aloud, or just repeat it to yourself, not out loud. So again, it just means the same thing. And here below in this box is the Korean translation of the dialogue part. So that's it for our lesson. Thank you for listening. Again, I'm Teacher Emmy. See you in our next video lesson. Goodbye.